Guys, these are custom G-Shock watches. This is 925 silver bezel, iced out with 4.5 carats of moissanite stones. Look how unique and amazing it makes these old school watches look. These are beautiful watches. I remember them from the early 2000s, and we really stepped it up. So you can buy the black one, the red one, or you can buy just the bezel alone, and it is very easy. We even send you a screwdriver. So if you go on Amazon, you can buy one of these G2100 G-Shock watches, and then you can customize it yourself with this bezel. The beautiful part about doing it is that there's a lot of other colors and variations that you can find. I recommend getting it on Amazon. You'll get it shipped fast, and you can even buy a few different ones and then swap out the bezel. It really takes just a few minutes to do it at home, but if you want a watch that's already customized, you can get it from harlembling.com. We just released iced out moissanite G-Shock watches in red and in black color. So these are GA2100 G-Shock watches. Many of you might already have one of these. So we will offer the option of just buying the bezel alone. I'll make the deal even sweeter. You will get a bezel. You will get the screwdriver, which you will use to put on the moissanite bezel yourself at home. It's very easy. I'm going to show you just in a minute. You will get 5 different color bands: red, navy blue, green, white, and orange. I really like the white one with the black watch. It looks beautiful, and so does orange. You will also get the Harlembling watch box, but it will be empty. You'll use it to store the watch later on. And of course, the GRA certificate. So on Amazon, there's a lot of GA2100 watches you can get. There's the blue face. They have limited edition ones, as long as it's the GA2100. And if you are not sure if your watch is compatible, you can see right here on the back of the Casio, it will say GA2100. So your watch will look something like this, and it is very simple. All you have to do is you will unscrew these 4 screws. So guys, once the screws are removed, and remember, these are the screws on the sides. They're not the screws on the back. Do not touch the screws on the back. It's only the 4 screws on the sides of the watches. Once the screws are removed, you simply take your fingernail and you can peel off the rubber protective thing. Lay it on the side, save the screws in case you ever have a problem with the return or you need to send it back to get it fixed. And then you take the bezel, put it like so, and then use the 4 provided screws. Not the original screws, but the 4 provided screws. And you simply screw it back into the watch, just like this. And here you go, guys. Now you have an iced out G-Shock. Be creative, mix up a few different colors. Maybe use a blue band with a red face. Go crazy. Fully iced out 925 silver G-Shock watch. Until next time, Eddie from Harlembling.